Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Smaller means you need to eat less food, which means there is more to go around for the rest of the species. You don't use up as much energy, you weigh less, moving around and such. Adjusted for their body size, smaller animals have to eat much more than larger animals.
Take our lead.
Smaller animals tend to have several advantages over large-bodied ones. They need less food and less space. They also tend to breed much faster, producing far more offspring. It's not for nothing that rodents like mice and rats and birds like pigeons and sparrows have colonized most of the planet. 27 May 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Megafauna are simply big animals. Elephants are megafauna, as are giraffes, whales, cows, deer, tigers, and even humans. Megafauna can be found on every continent and in every country. For every living species of megafauna, there are a large number of extinct megafauna. 6 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
A sharp increase in the Earth's atmospheric oxygen levels about 50 million years ago was responsible for the rise of the large mammals, a new study claims. Higher oxygen levels means animals can grow larger and still maintain the supply of oxygen to their muscles. 29 September 2005.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.